People spend thousands of dollars to see Switzerland's snowy peaks. But did you know Pakistan has this? Crystal lakes that rivals Switzerland's finest. Yet these waters flow right here in Gilgit-Baltistan. Fairy meadows, Hunza, Skardu. Places so breathtaking, they don't just compete with Switzerland, they redefine beauty. They call it the hidden gem of Pakistan. Where the desert meets the ocean, lies a secret most of the world doesn't know. Most people dream of Maldives for crystal blue waters, golden sands, endless horizons, a coastline carved by time. This isn't California. This isn't Maldives. This is Pakistan. Gwadar Kund Malir Beach, even Astola Island, offering Maldives vibes right here in Pakistan. They say that the Sahara is the king of deserts. But the Thar, it's not just sand, it's life, color, culture. This isn't just a desert, it's a festival on sand. They say the Amazon is the lungs of the earth. But Pakistan breathes just as deep, with endless green valleys and hidden waterfalls. From the depths of the Amazon to the heart of Pakistan's forests, beauty knows no borders. Nature's masterpiece lives here too. Amazon or Pakistan, you decide. Grand Canyon, Arizona, right? Wrong. This is Pakistan, Hingal National Park. Same epic canyons, same jaw-dropping views. Pakistan's got the wow factor too. From mountains to beaches, deserts to forests, Pakistan is a world of wonders in one country. Discover Pakistan, discover paradise. Like what you see. Like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more.